Hi, welcome back friend. Here in this practical exercise, we're going to write a simple program to demonstrate for loop where we would find sum of a range of values without adding each addition as a separate line of code, but just once within the loop structure. So let's start. Loop is used to perform repeated execution of a same statement over and over again based on different set. We could increment, we could add, we could subtract, we could perform various kind of operations. So the method of writing it will be simple. We need to declare a class and public static void main method, and then we can declare variables and could use in the for statement. We have created a variable called sum equals to 1 having a value 1 sorry 0 of type integer. Then we can declare a for statement for loop. Uh, it has three different parameters: the initial condition, the termination condition, and the increment or decrement. The initial condition would set the value from the initial value. So for I, which is a variable, we have the initially defined it as 0. It will continue till the value of I remains less than 1000. And in each step, it will perform increment of 1, I++. And it will execute a single line of code, sum plus equals to I. That means sum equals to sum plus I. It will be executed multiple times. And final statement that will display the result on the screen as some variable, the system out println. Here, when we have a variable I declared as 0, sum equals to 0. So it will add numbers from 0 till 9999. So this program would display you the output of the sum of all the numbers from 1 to 999. So the output is here is 499500. You could check it, otherwise it will increment each time and the loop will continue. We can use while loop in place of for different conditions. We have do while loop, we have while loop, and for is a better alternative when we want to execute certain thing within a range. We also have a for each loop, which we are going to learn in the coming exercises. And for loop could be used in a nested, in a ladder, or any other form, like if else and switch case.